Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to automate Bing searches with Microsoft Rewards points. Alright, let's begin. To automate your Bing searches, you'll first need to install an extension. Start by searching for Rewards Search Automator in the Chrome Web Store. Make sure you choose the latest version, as the older ones no longer work. Once you've found it, click Add to Chrome, and the extension will be installed. After it's added, click on the extension icon and pin it so it's easily accessible. When you click on it, you'll be able to set up how many searches you want. For example, set it to 5 desktop searches, and then click Desktop. You can also adjust the speed of the searches by choosing specific values of your choice. Once you've configured your settings, the extension will automatically perform the searches for you. You can even leave it running in the background, and it will continue searching until you reach your desired points. So that's basically how you can automate Bing searches with Microsoft Rewards points. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.